Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products out there. Today, we're looking at what we believe to be the best Andoilt sunglasses, the Andoilt men's sports polarized sunglasses. Whether you're into outdoor sports, road trips, or just need reliable sunglasses for everyday use, these are built to impress. Let's get into the details. First up, the lens. These sunglasses feature TAC polarized lenses with a UV 400 protection coating, ensuring that 100% of harmful UVA and UVB rays are blocked. Not only do they protect your eyes from the sun, but they also enhance your vision by eliminating reflected or scattered light. This means you get clear and true color perception, making them ideal for activities like driving, fishing, or any sport under the sun. Moving to the frame, Andoilt doesn't skimp on quality. The sunglasses are made with a high-grade aluminum magnesium alloy, which is a far cry from the flimsy plastic frames you might find elsewhere. This alloy is not only ultra-lightweight, weighing only 25 grams, but it's also incredibly durable, scratch-resistant, and nearly unbreakable. You can feel the sturdiness of these sunglasses in your hands, and they're designed to withstand whatever outdoor adventure you throw at them, whether it's cycling, running, or hiking. In terms of size and fit, the Andoilt sunglasses are crafted with dimensions that cater to a wide range of face shapes. The lens height is 40 mm, with a lens width of 64 mm, making them the perfect size for both comfort and style. The frame width is 144 mm, with a 16 mm nose bridge and 140 mm arm length, offering a snug yet comfortable fit that won't slide off during your activities. And if you're wondering about the accessories, Andoilt has you covered there too. Each pair of sunglasses comes with a premium package that includes a sunglasses box, a lens cleaning cloth, a sunglasses bag, and a polarized testing sheet. It's also gift-ready, making it a perfect present for anyone who loves outdoor activities. Finally, these sunglasses are not just functional but stylish too. With their sleek black frame and gray lenses, they look great no matter where you go. The design is modern, sporty, and versatile, perfect for anyone who wants to add a bit of flair to their outdoor gear. So, whether you're out on the water, hitting the road, or just enjoying a day in the sun, the Andoilt men's sports polarized sunglasses are a top choice. They combine style, comfort, durability, and ultimate eye protection, all in one sleek package. If you're looking for a great deal on sunglasses that won't let you down, these are definitely worth checking out. That's all for today's review. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the best products out there. Thanks for watching.